let's get in the expert perspective on our show now. And Ruchit Jain, the lead researcher at 5paisa.com, is joining us. Hi, Ruchit. Thanks so much for taking the time out and joining us. Help us understand this move that we've been seeing in the market over the last 3 days, or you can say at the start of the new financial year. The markets have consistently outperformed the benchmarks, and yesterday also and today. So I'm very surprised to see that the small cap index is the one that's leading the gains, especially after the kind of performance we did see coming in the mid basket in the last month itself. Do you think this reversal trend is here to stay? Is it sustainable going ahead? Do you think there is exuberance back in the broader markets? Help us understand this move.
Yeah, hi, very good afternoon. Well, if we look towards the end of the March, on 20th March, we witnessed a new high getting registered on the Nifty of 22,530. But somewhere the small cap and the mid caps were still away from their previous all-time high. So I think that's what led to this buying interest more in the mid cap and the small caps of stocks. And we've been witnessing that outperformance. But nonetheless, the broader trend for the market still continues to remain on the positive side. I think it just said the short-term momentum readings were a bit overbought post that 3-4 days of sharp up move, and hence we have been consolidating on the index since last 3-4 trading sessions. But the important supports are still intact. Today we witnessed that in spite of that negativity at the opening based on the global cues, we did not see any kind of follow-up selling. And market breadth is the main indicator which helps us to see that how the momentum could go continue going ahead. So I think 22,300 to 250 remains a very crucial support zone for the index. Till that is intact, the trend remains positive, and it's just 2 or 3 days of consolidation or a time correction that we have been witnessing on the index. But once that 22,530 gets surpassed, I think markets would be geared to make new highs towards 22,700 to 750 quite soon.
So this means that 22,500 seems to be a resistance zone, and once we cross the zone, then only we see an upside rally. But then which can be the potential stock that one can ride on?
Couple of recommendations. One is I have first call from the PSU banking space. Today we witnessed quite a good move in many of the stocks in the last hour, last 1.5 2 hours. We witnessed very good price volume action in PSU names. So I think SBI could move higher from current levels, although we are positive on the entire basket. But SBI, I think being a leader, the recent correction did not see any kind of volume-based sell-off, and slowly and gradually the stock could move higher towards 800 kind of levels. So short-term traders can look for buying opportunities in SBI with stop loss below 767 for potential target of 800 to 805. And within the mid-cap space, Tata Elxsi is one stock which is looking quite interesting. Selective IT stocks witness a good momentum today after a long period of time, and Tata Elxsi has been consolidating within the range since last 3 to 4 months. A good price volume breakout has been seen today, where if you look at today's volume compared to average of last few weeks, then it was one of the highest volumes and off late. So I think price up move supported by good volume, consolidation breakout augurs well for Tata Elxsi for the near term. Short term traders can go long with stop below 7,150 for potential targets of 8,370.
Right, Ruchit, thanks so much for joining us, sharing with us your market outlook as well as your pick.